Before Crack Cameroon could come, I had an intention of opening a new cocoa farm in the forest. But Crack Cameroon came and educated us on regeneration on cocoa farm, and he supported us with improved species of cocoa. I expect in the nearest future a high yield on my farm, and that will make me boast of my nearest farm yield.